Half of all Americans with fixed-rate mortgages have an interest rate of 5.75% or higher, according to the Wall Street Journal. Are you one of them? 75% of all Americans have equity in their homes, according to First American Core Logic. Are you one of them? What is your household's average weighted interest rate? Are you curious about how much you are contributing to your lender's bottom line at your family's expense? Did your current lender have the decency to send you a thank you note? Hi, I am Ron Siegel. In 1984, I graduated with business degrees from Chapman College. Back then, we didn't have the prestigious designation of Chapman University. I'm now a certified mortgage coach with Stearns Lending. Over the next couple of moments, I'd like to share with you a story about a couple whose situation might be the same as yours. The documents and facts are exactly those that I shared with this couple. However, since they are personal friends since Chapman, I have redacted and changed the names. At the end of this short video, I'm also going to offer you a free gift. Put your wallet and credit cards away. There is absolutely nothing to buy. Back in early December, my friend Bob called me in my car while I was on the way into my office. He told me he and Betty were listening to all the radio commercials about interest rates in the high 4% range and thought they should explore their own situation. Bob knew I was a mortgage planner and wanted to know what the gimmick was on the radio commercials, as he knew there was no free lunch. I shared, it is all disclosed in the last 5 to 8 seconds of the commercials, and we went on to discuss his thoughts and current situation. Bob told me he and Betty had been in their home several years and had accumulated some equity. However, their interest rate was at 5.875%, which wasn't bad, but he thought they could do better. Bob and Betty completed the financing profile just like the one I have made available to you in the links and docs section down below. Obviously, being in the mortgage business, people call me on a regular basis to discuss their situation, be it when they're considering to purchase a new home or refinancing their existing loan into a more economical program. After analyzing Bob and Betty's situation, I asked them if they would prefer to save $257 per month, $382 per month, or $1,480 per month. The answer seemed obvious. The question was how, since their current mortgage payment was $2,467 and they wanted a 30-year fixed-rate loan. Nothing exotic. It didn't seem possible that they could be spending $1,480 per month more than they had to. The fact is, sometimes people can save significant amounts of money by simply restructuring their debt. In the case of my friends Bob and Betty, we ended up converting them from a 5.775% loan to a 5.5% loan. Only a mere 3/8 reduction, but we saved their household over $1,400 per month in step one alone. We simply analyzed all their household debts and found their household average weighted interest rate was 8.038%. Wow. Very few of my clients understand this until a thorough analysis was performed. To demonstrate all this for Bob and Betty, I used some simple to understand tools: the total cost analysis, the debt consolidation analysis report, and maybe even an equity repositioning report. Now, you could be one of those people who feel they can be their own surgeon, financial advisor, lawyer, or electrician and do this on your own. You could call your local banker or the guy on the radio and simply get a cheap rate, and while those are probably all fine people, are they prepared to guide you for life through what is arguably the largest financial decision most of us make? Anybody can provide a mortgage to you, but when I asked you at the beginning of this video what your household average weighted interest rate was, and you had never heard that, obviously no one has shared strategies with you to deal with the debt side of your budget. Why not? Maybe you thought the best option for your family was the guy on the radio with the blue light special on mortgages. As I see it, there are only a few reasons why you wouldn't call me right now. 1, you don't want to save money every month. 2, you think your credit is too bad to do anything, which is absolutely not true. We can help there. Or 3, you don't think you are one of the 75% of Americans that First American Core Logic tells us has equity in their home. If you really care about how much you are spending, you owe it to yourself and your family to complete the financing profile in the links and docs section below and call me to arrange a free consultation. It could be the most profitable 15 minutes of your life. My free gift to you will be at least 2 custom reports specific to your situation. A total cost analysis showing where you are now and what the market has to offer. And then regardless if the time is right today to move forward, I will adopt your mortgage and send you a monthly report comparing your mortgage to that which is available in the market. Remember earlier when I said that Bob and Betty saved over $1,480 when we refinanced their loan in December? I told them I would send them this monthly report. You probably also remember me saying I am in this for life. I contacted them again at the end of May and shared that we could save them more money, since the market was even better now than it was just 6 months ago. After all fees and refunds from their prior mortgage, Bob and Betty are going to save another $300 per month. This is the benefit of hiring a mortgage planner. Yes, my company made money on both loans, but Bob and Betty are now saving $1,781 per month because of a simple phone conversation that started last December. That is $21,372 per year. How many phone calls did you make in December that resulted in saving your family $21,372 per year? What would $21,372 mean to your household? If you haven't downloaded your copy of the financing profile from the links and docs section, completed it and sent it back to me yet, your actions say that $21,372 per year isn't meaningful to you. However, maybe you know someone who could use this money. Please do them a favor and use the share button below and forward this to them. They will thank you. If you did pull that document, my phone, fax, and email is on it, and I am looking forward to speaking with you. If this is the first time you are meeting me, please be sure to subscribe for free below.